What's up? I'm Jono. Just finished another lovely surf here at Rockaway Beach, and you're tuned into Frequency Horizon.
Okay, setting out in Brooklyn. Gonna try to catch that J train. The sun is out, sky is blue. We're gonna see if we can go surfing. Apparently they even rent boards for $5 an hour here. That's unheard of. Love these stained glass windows. When you transfer subway trains. Sunday to Sunday in New York. Across some water. You can see the planes from JFK in the background. I just hopped off the Far Rockaway subway here. Popped down in front of the U.S. House of Representatives, Congressman Gregory W. Meek's office, 5th Congressional District. That's right below the subway. And then right next to it is the surf shop. See some people dealing with some boards. There's family walking by. And yeah, let's go in. See what's going on at Breakwater Surf Co.
I'm Edwin from Breakwater Surf Shop.
There we go. Yeah, right on.
And we have our boards for rental here, and it's right by the beach. So if you go down the end of 69th Street, at the very end, you'll see these two orange pylons. Around the corner, there's going to be a gate there, and all the boards that you see, you can rent. Pick whatever board you want, take it, and when you're done, come back, put it back, and just make sure you lock it. And then when you come back to the shop, that's when we check you out and you pay.
Okay, right on, man.
And,
hey, wow, it's noisy. You get the JetBlue planes like that coming over.
Yep, we're right below the air pass. So
I've never surfed on the East Coast before. What's it like compared to West Coast surfing where I live in Santa Cruz?
I would probably say West Coast is better. But here it's like kind of a beach break, pretty soft, mushy waves. But every now and then it gets good, especially during the hurricane season. So yeah.
I notice the conditions seem like they're coming up this week. Is that correct? To like 3 to 4 feet, maybe even 5?
Yeah.
Is that good or what?
This week is going to be good, according to the forecast. 3 to 4, clean. So it'll be a good time to come out to Rockaway.
All right.
For your first time.
Cool. The vibe is kind of similar actually to the West Coast kind of thing, because you know the Bay Area, it's like a city, right? A big city, and has different parts to it.
Yeah.
Similar to this, and that like this feels a little bit like Half Moon Bay.
Okay.
You know, just because it's a little ways out of the city of San Francisco, but it doesn't quite feel like, you know, Santa Cruz feels more like Brooklyn. You know what I mean? A little bit.
Okay.
So the vibey kind of like art scene.
Yes. Yeah.
So, but I heard there's gnarly current today, so I'm gonna have to get ready for that.
Yeah. How much longer are you here for?
A couple more days.
Okay, good, yeah. I mean, if you have time to get back out here, get back out here.
Okay.
It's meant to be really good for like the next few days.
Oh, really?
So, yeah.
I feel like I scored.
Shout these guys out, because they're the fucking best. $5 an hour rentals.
$5 an hour rentals.
Yeah.
Although I think the booties they charge. I mean, they charge extra.
The website's a bit more.
But I wouldn't go out without booties and gloves on a day like today.
No. But yeah.
There we go. How'd you do?
Pretty choppy, but 2 hours ago was that really nice.
Oh, of course. Guess I get my pick of the litter. Wow, that was fun. These waves actually look pretty powerful. I don't know how I'm gonna do. I can see the rip is kind of creepy. feel bad if you don't catch a wave the first time surfing a break. Safety is paramount. Oh, I can feel the cold water. The suit's keeping me pretty warm so far. It's my first time taking the GoPro out. A lot of firsts today. Yeah, this is tougher than it looks actually. Cold water, goodness. Powerful kind of waves, but thick. So far so good. Okay, water getting in the suit. Just get out as far as you can. Tiptoes. And wait for the swell to die down and then go. Gloves for a while. I forgot how it helps with paddling, although they weigh you down. Writing home about too much, but you know, there was some beautiful moments. I did have 2 or 3, maybe 4 rides there, mostly on reforms, but just being out there was pretty incredible. Just feeling that cold wash. It wasn't too icy cold, honestly. It wasn't as bad as I thought, but I was wearing a 5'4" with gloves and booties, and yeah, it was just a blast, and everyone out here was super nice and just kind of chilling, I would say. So definitely check out Rockaway and keep living in the free world, you know? Peace.